some of the agates and cherts that we got from Patty's Pit. Should have enough for two barrels. If not, I got 3 or 4 more 5-gallon buckets full that will work. Some interesting pieces. Some might turn out, some might not. We'll just see what happens, but we'll load up both barrels. Okay, you can see both the Thumler's barrel, and then this is a generic barrel I got from wirejewelry.com. I run it on my rock tumbler over here. They're about similar size. This one might be a little bit bigger, but let's go ahead and fill them up. Put some good side pieces in there. These are all hand selected. They got different pieces. That's one I actually went and smoothed out with the Dremel, so we'll see what that does. Just gotta remember where I put it. We'll drop this guy. And we'll get about 2/3 full. That'll about do it on that one. Those 2 pieces. That's the bigger one we're going to try. That'll come out interesting if it comes out. Square piece. So this thing, that's chert. That's like a reddish color. That's cool. That's gonna have some neat banding. So we can dip that one in water, I'll show you. There we go, looks nice. This thing does chert, colored chert, so we'll see what happens. It's got some banding in it too, it'll come out neat. Ooh, that might be too much. Piece it out. I get a couple smaller pieces in here. I want to do that one, that's really neat, but I think I'm just going to have to wait till next time. I think I'm pretty much full. That's one I wanted to get in there too. They had the red. These will all grind down, so I think that'll be all right. That's a little over 2/3. Put it over here. That'll work. I think that'll work. Okay, so this is ungraded 6090 silicon carbide. I got this from the rock shed. We'll reuse that. Last time I did Patty's Pits, I did do it before, and I used regular graded 80 grit. I'm not going to blame my failure on that one on that, but we're going to give this a shot, see if that works. The neat thing about ordering from the rock shed, they send free candy. So we're going to put 4 tablespoons in each one. Get it all out of there. All right, let's go ahead and add water. That's good. About enough. Put the lid on. This lid. There it goes. next one. And this is going to be the water seal test on this one, because the guy who owned this one before me was tumbling brass for reloading. There's a bunch of 308 shells in it when I got it, and some sort of media, but I don't think he ever used it wet. So we'll see what this does. If this, not a fan of the way this thing works, but whatever, it's what I got. We'll see if it works. And I see water already. That's not good. Alright, so that's going to be a new lid for that one. So, insta failure on that one, so we'll order a new barrel. Okay, so we got a replacement barrel. It was off Amazon. Looks like it comes from rttumbler.com. And it comes with a new rubber seal that'll replace the old one here. So I will go ahead and put that on, and then we'll see if she still leaks. Alright, looks like it's the barrel. And not just the lid and seal. This rubber band was a lot tighter than the other one. I don't know if it's just it's definitely leaking. Alright, so I've stopped it from leaking, it looks like. We're gonna see what happens. I put one of these blue shop towels down. I'll check it later, see if it is leaking. It is a hell of a lot quieter than the one I built. I'll go ahead and plug that one in. You can hear the difference. Yeah, big difference in sound. So next thing I'll be rebuilding the other tumbler so we can get rid of that sound. Anyways, let's see what happens. We're about 2 days off with this. Alright, this is the end of stage 1 for my Pappy Agates. I ran 2 barrels. The little Thumler's tumbler, the barrel started leaking, so I had to ditch that tumbler. And I just ran 2 of those barrels there on that old tumbler I made. I'm going to pick the best of them out to make 1 full barrel. Some of these do need to be run more through the course stage, but I'm going to run the others as much as I can, polish them up, and then I will do a finished video.